Welcome everyone. I am your host Sethi.
And I'm stylist Rashi Bindra.
This is MOGUL Spotlight, where we put entrepreneurs from different walks of life on the hot seat through a series of rapid fire questions to gain insight into their business and them personally amidst the current market time. So today we have Miryam Lazarte, from CEO of LatAm Startups. Welcome, Miryam.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this interview.
Miryam, it's so great to have you. Why don't you tell us what is your brand's primary message and how you are dealing with the effects of COVID-19?
Well, LatAm Startups is a nonprofit organization. We are an incubator accelerator based in Toronto. And we are a truly diverse and inclusive community, 100%, helping newcomers in Canada to become tech entrepreneurs. And for your follow-up question about how we are coping with COVID, well, we are following the guidelines as other incubators and accelerators. We're running our programs right now online, using Zoom and other tools around to help us to connect with our entrepreneurs while we are in the situation right now.
That's great. And what would be the advice that you would give other entrepreneurs who may have a hard time being motivated during this pandemic?
Well, yeah, we get that a lot actually in our community. Everybody's living right now behind a computer and trying to cope with the situation. I will say that everyone should be connected. Somehow I know it's tiresome sometimes, but try to connect with people and try to be active and do something every day, in your list of activities that you have to do, and ask for help when you need help and mentoring from other people. People are always open to have conversations and guide other people when you ask for that.
And what role has your team played to get you through this as well, like you and the company get through this?
Yeah, my team has been amazing. We are a small team of 4 people working. Well, we have another part-time person, and they have been very proactive, actually helping the companies extra hours. Following up with them very closely in order to make sure everyone is okay and that their business is growing as expected, or even if it's not that, putting tools and helping them to see what strategies we can put in place during COVID-19. So they have been an amazing support for our organization and for the startups that are part of the program.
Well, thank you, Miryam, for your valuable insight and for participating in MOGUL Spotlight.
Yeah, no, thank you again for the invitation. It has been a pleasure to be here.
For our guests and listeners, thank you for tuning in. On behalf of City Moguls and Elevated Grapes, we will see you on the next MOGUL Spotlight.
Thank you.